Changing your payout method on Banque Du Caire Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Banque Du Caire Switzerland website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to payout settings. Once logged in, locate the section for account settings or payout preferences. This is typically found in the main menu or under account management options. Step 3. Select payout method. In the payout settings, you will see options for different payout methods. Choose the method you wish to change to, such as bank transfer, check, or another available option. Step 4. Enter required information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. Review your selections and any entered information. Once everything is correct, confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure that the changes have taken effect. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.